morning, this is Alex with your 239 Labs Week 8 update. This week, the team enjoyed a visit from Tom Finelli, founder and CEO of Convesio. Tom shared his story through multiple organizations and exits he's worked with and has taken him from Southwest Florida to the Bay Area and back. After we met with Tom, we spent the afternoon taking a look at customer onboarding and scaling through growth to ensure that customers have the best possible experience and that onboarding is planned and not an afterthought for those first pilot customers. On Thursday, we reviewed as a group how we're utilizing sales decks in the process and gave feedback to one another about their process, as well as having Liz from Learn Robotics share some of the secrets of how she built her organic lead generation engine and email automation on an extremely tight startup budget over the last couple years. I'm excited to report that Stabilized Steps was featured on Wink News, featuring the success of their system for a local resident. My Undercover Agent landed a huge pilot in the region, and Endeavor, who was recently rebranded from Fielder, landed a partnership with Broward County School District. Learn Robotics is prepping to deliver a 100+ unit order. Stay tuned for more exciting updates. We'll see you next week.